Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. Thank you for coming back again and again. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe and be part of this great family. Like, share and comment, and also share with your friends. Yes, so my people, I don't see another gist, another matter come. This very one happen for Lagos inside Niger. Now this matter for happen. Before I'll go into the detail, this guy one of the see so in name now be Idele. Before I go talk one or two things concerning this Idele, my people, I want to advise some people wey dey outside there, one or two people. Depression na real, my people. Depression na real, because some people feel say depression no be real, depression no dey. My people, depression na real. Where may we talk about this Idele, wetin happen to Idele for some this month wey we dey, so this January na Idele come miss. They come even write am for social media say Idele dey miss, so im friends and im family they come write am say Idele dey miss, say abeg make the people help dem find Idele, say Idele dey miss for some days now. One of his colleagues come write am put for social media say Idele na one of a brilliant colleagues wey don ever work with, say abeg make everybody join hand together so that make dem look for Idele, say Idele na very nice person, very brilliant. He come talk many things concerning Idele. No be wey dey come see Idele na Idele come take in life. May his soul rest in peace, my people. As Idele take in life now, they come see say wetin go make this brilliant guy like this take in life. Now they come search everywhere, in room, everything. Now this Idele come write and say since 7 years now in the battle with depression. Say make people wey im don offend, make people forgive am, and im mothers and im family, say make dem pray for im soul to rest in peace. Well, my people, depression na real. Make una no allow anybody tell una say depression no be real. Like this Idele now, as they dey find out say wetin go make this brilliant boy take, na dem come see the one of the letter wey this guy write, wey he keep, come confirm on one of his friend. This his friend na pastor. He come tell this his friend wey be pastor say see wetin im dey pass through. Na this his friend come tell am say make no worry, say God go do am. Yes, we all know say God go do am, my people, but our God no be magician. Na this his friend wey be pastor come tell am say may he no take the tablet, say because e too small to dey take tablet at this early age wey e just dey so. Well, my people, me I fair clear that part wey the pastor advise am say make e no take tablet. Some people dey, my people, wey dey born into this life, wey dey small, they go take tablet till wey dem come old. E no mean say you dey take that tablet na be say you no know God, or na be say you no believe in God wey you dey serve. Because that tablet wey you dey take, e go make to oppress that sickness wey that person get. Na that tablet stand for. E no mean say as you dey take that tablet make you no still dey go your church, or make you no still dey pray to God. Na the pastor come advise Idele like this, say make you no take am. Idele come really stop the something. E no come dey take the tablet, my people. E no come dey take am. I wish Idele dey take that tablet now. Maybe that tablet go press the press, e go press am down, so that Idele for no even get to this extent for him to even take in life. Make una see how some friends dey deceive people. Abeg, if this kind thing dey, make una confirm with good person wey una know say yes, this person is the right person, wey e go see advice from una, go see take. Some people dey there wey call themselves dem be friend or pastor. The kind advice wey dem go give, my people, na only God know. I no know Why some pastor they all feel say or they believe say if you dey take tablet or if you dey take drugs wey doctor give you, na im be say your faith no strong in Christ. Na lie, my people. If person dey take drug or dey take tablet, that one no mean say im faith no strong. Faith na personally with God. As this guy now, I wish maybe he no take that im friend advice. If you no even get to this extent say you go take im life, because I see a lot of people wey get this depressed, wetin dey end am, whether they go take their life or they go kpema any of their children. Na so, my people, and which is very bad. This depression na real. Abeg, anybody wey you know say e get am, console your doctor. Your doctor know the right. No let any friends or pastor to tell you say you are too young to take it. Where is your faith? Nobody will not get faith. Your faith na you and your God. No be you with a human being. No allow anybody to tell you say where is your faith in Christ? Where is your faith in God? Everybody get faith. Everybody get faith, my people. That your faith na you and your God. Na no be human being. I wish daily they take that tablet. If you don't even get to this extent to take in life, just imagine this brilliant guy, as in colleagues, as they say, very brilliant guy. See, this guy now, it's not even up to 50 years. It's not even up to 40 years. This guy just taking life because the guy they battle with depression for good 7 years, my people. Oh my God, may his soul rest in peace. I pray that God upset his soul, because it's so bad, my people. The way some people they advise people, the way some people they advise people, all in the name of this religion. Say we all understand. Say there is God, but now God now he create all those daughters, all those tablet wey person dey take. Na God na create everything, my people. E no mean say because you dey take tablet na be say you no know God. Na be say your faith no strong in Christ. Na lie. Some people just dey like that. They like to deceive a lot of people. If they take that tablet, they'll come say, where is your faith? They already they use that words. Where is your faith in Christ? Where is this? Faith na personally with God. Now only you and your God now know. Now only God know the kind of faith where you get with him. No be human being. No be human being. See how this guy just taking life now. I wish he no listen to that him friend wey be pastor. If you no even get to this extent, my people. I beg. Depression na real, my people. Na real. And a lot of people, especially African people, we know the too much they believe something. We know they believe something. We just believe the one way pastor tell us. Now some people they take and wish so advice still good way it's still good make person still take. But you yourself you still check out whether this advice good for me enough. Go mean that is why doctor did there. Not be God create all those doctors wey dey there. Now God still create all those people. E no mean say person dey go hospital go dey do checkup or go hospital go dey take tablet. Now me say that person e no strong in Christ. E no mean, my people. Or maybe because you dey take tablet for so many years and you still dey go church, now make you no get that faith. As you dey take am, you still dey pray to your God. You still dey go your own church. E no mean say because you be one person, you get big post for church, you can't get that thing now, you can't sit down for house, you say God go do am. Yes, we all know say God do everything, but our God not be magician. Our God not be magician. It's so painful, my people, to see this young guy like this just taking life. And the guy is they battle depression for good 7 years now. For good 7 years now, this guy they battle that depression. I wish the guy they suffer they take in tablet, they suffer they take am. If you no even get to this extent, my people. If you no even get to this extent, see the way that he friend take advice am make he not take the tablet. See the way he take advice am. It's so bad, my people. And a lot of people dey like that. or in the name my friend advise me, or in the name my pastor advise me. Take anything wey say the something is not going well. Go meet your doctor. Doctor know the right thing to give you. Doctor know the right thing to tell you what to do next. No be people, no be some friends dey na just to destroy person. Some pastor dey there na just to destroy person. It's so bad. It's so bad to see this young guy like this just taking life. I pray that God will give the family the strength to overcome this great loss. It's so bad, my people. This brilliant guy like this just taking life. May his soul continue to rest in peace. I pray that God accept his soul. Well, my people, I need to go now. I need to leave you guys. What do you think about this video? Leave your comment in the comment section down below. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.